How to send disappearing photo on Telegram. So if you want to send disappearing photo on Telegram, then first you need to launch your Telegram application. After opening your Telegram, now you need to select the chat in which you would like to send a disappearing photo. And once you're here on the chat, you just need simply go with the attachment option, which is on the bottom right. Under attachments, you can either go with your camera, or you can also go with your images or videos that you have on your gallery. Once you've selected, now here on the bottom you will have add a caption, and on the right side of it you will have a disappearing message option. So you need to tap on it and you can select view once, or 3 seconds, or 10 seconds, or 30 seconds, or do not delete. So now it's set on do not delete, but if you want to send as a disappearing message, you can tap on view once, or you can choose 3 seconds, or 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. So I'll just simply go with view once and tap on send, and that's it. The photo has been sent as a disappearing photo. That's how you can send, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.